Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to download all photo from iCloud, how can you download? So I will explain clearly for that. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead to your setting. So this is your iPhone setting and enter your ID here. So you can see your Apple account, iCloud and more. So just click your profile here and scroll down until you see iCloud. So just click iCloud and you can see save to iCloud session, photo, drive, password, notes, message, and mail. So if you want to save your photo, if you want to download all photo from iCloud, how can you do? So just click photo here. And what you have to do is currently I haven't seen this iPhone to iCloud photo. So if you want to download photo in your iCloud, you need to sync this iPhone session first. So you need to turn on because if you turn on, all your photo will be synced to this iPhone, and your photo will be available to see in your iCloud photo as well. So what you have to do is just turn on sync this iPhone. And before you go, you also need to check the storage data because you most of the iPhone just give 5 gigs of iCloud storage, but if you have more than 5 gigs on your photo, you will not be able to use. You need to upgrade, right? So for me, I can't, so I will just tell you how to do. So after turning on seeing this iPhone, what you need to do is you need to choose download and keep original. You can see on your setting and your iPhone will begin downloading all the photos or your videos and photo in your iPhones and they will keep safe in your iCloud. So keep in mind this project can take some time depending on your storage. If you have a lot of photos and high quality video, you have to wait for very long because of storage. And if you have some, you don't need to wait for very long. Yeah. And make sure your iPhone have enough storage. As I mentioned before, if you haven't enough storage, you need to upgrade. So if you want to upgrade, you can also just go upgrade options and you will be able to see the package offer from iOS. So that's how to download all photo from iCloud guys. I hope this will help you a lot and thank you so much. See you bye.